What's good, everybody? It's your boy PAXX STACKS back with another one. Yeah, Sirski, man, got some new fire shit, man. Let's tap in. Yeah, Sirski. Oh, hold on, my bad. What's good, everybody? It's your boy PAXX STACKS back with another one. Yeah, Sirski, man, we got some new fire shit, man. Let's tap in. Make sure you drop that like and that sub. Let's get it.
Yesterday at OpenAI Dev Day, Sam Altman walked on the stage in San Francisco and said, "Your entire tech stack is deprecated."
Damn, what? What is he talking about, bro? This nigga always, he be clickbaiting, bro. Let's see what this nigga talking about. I don't
quote, I'm just paraphrasing, but we have about a half dozen newly released features that will change the way developers.
Good Lord. Are y'all using this shit, bro? Are y'all using this shit? Honestly, are y'all using this shit to make apps? Somebody tell me, damn it.
Build AI-powered apps in the future. The biggest bet OpenAI is making is turning ChatGPT into an app platform.
Yeah, now I see that. I've been seeing that. They will come with that, bro. It's gonna be crazy.
You no longer.
Why wouldn't they? It's just like Google though. But I think Google has the advantage because they've been doing this shit for so long. That's what conglomerates, whales. That's what the fuck they do. They let new companies in, come into the marketplace, make some new shit, and they take that shit and make it better because they have the ability to do so.
Old-fashioned websites or mobile apps like a boomer. The goal is to make,
bro, come on, bro.
Make ChatGPT like an operating system.
I think that shit is hard when you can like vibe code apps, but you lose so much of understanding how the apps work, bro. You don't know the fucking language. All you know how to do is prompt. Don't lose that skill set
that you're completely locked into. Imagine this. You want to play your favorite song on Spotify. Like I'm Quitting Prozac to Continue Drinking by 19-year-old pop sensation Jimmy Brown. In the future, you no longer need to open the Spotify app and hit the play button. Instead, you can simply open the ChatGPT app and type out an awkward prompt to tell ChatGPT to push the button for you.
Now, I feel like that type of shit is different. When I think of apps, I think of everybody using a platform like Lovable or fucking V0 or some shit to ship an app. To me, this is not apps. This is them integrating ChatGPT into shit that you already use. I guess if that's what they mean. I'm sorry. I didn't understand it, but that's what I see it as.
Looks like the future of AI is going to skip the great robot war of 2029 prophesized in Terminator and go straight to the year of 2505 prophesized in Idiocracy.
Now there are plenty of tards out there living really kick-ass lives.
But developers who ride the ChatGPT app's wave early stand to make tons of money.
You got to get out though.
Massive distribution
you have to get out on top, bro. Like you cannot get out, but you got to get out before that shit dips.
Of their 800 million weekly active users.
That's crazy.
But apps in ChatGPT isn't the most interesting announcement. You also need to know about Agent Kit, Codex with GitHub Actions.
Bro, that's what I'm saying. They doing too fucking much, bro.
Poor people and some big updates to the API.
Damn.
It is October 7th, 2025.
Man, let's check that shit out, gang.
We're watching the code report. First, let's talk more about apps and ChatGPT. Remember GPT plugins from a couple of years ago?
See, I don't remember that shit. Exactly. They're doing too much. I'm not trying to talk shit. I'm just saying, if you got some shit that works, let other people do it and you make money off of them. Like, y'all got the main app, nigga. You see how Google provides Google Maps and shit? You know what I'm saying? Let them make apps, and then y'all make money off of motherfuckers making apps.
They died. Then
exactly.
They tried a slight variation at GPTs, but they're also pretty much
dead.
I
don't, bro. People always be on these hype trains, bro.
Now they're trying apps in ChatGPT
because
the third time's a charm, right?
Bro.
Right now, it's only being trialed by big
I wouldn't
apps
even say apps. That type of shit I feel like is cool.
And I think it could work really well for things like Zillow.
For sure.
Like this guy paid his realtor $50,000 for this $1 million home in San Francisco, when in reality, ChatGPT could have done a better job faster.
For sure. That's what I'm saying. To me, that's the entire point of AI, bro, is to save you fucking time from doing remedial dumbass tasks like looking shit up like that. Just ask the AI to do it. Some of y'all are too prideful to ask the AI to look up something as simple as home listings. Are you fucking serious? But your ass want to take 4 hours and some notebook paper to do it. Get the fuck out of here, bro.
I'm also pretty bearish on apps
like
and ChatGPT because in most cases,
not even
I'd rather just use an app's UI than rope in a chatbot to overcomplicate things. The next thing you should know about are updates to the OpenAI API. Both Sora 2 and GPT-5 Pro are now available in the API, which means you can start lighting money on fire trying to build your own AI
Bro, that shit is expensive as fuck, bro. Like
powered enshittification accelerator. Sora 2 costs 50 cents per 1 second
of
high quality video.
50 cents per 1 second? And y'all be going crazy. I'm already knowing y'all be going crazy with that shit. That's low-key expensive, bro.
Or about $1,800 to slop out.
Good Lord, brother.
A 1 hour movie that nobody's going to watch.
Right.
In addition, if you're implementing voice or image generation features, there's now 2 smaller models that are far less expensive.
I don't think any of that shit matters. I think the real value lies in people specializing in making tools like 11 Labs and fucking Runway. I feel like this type of shit is when companies get greedy because they don't just specialize in what the fuck they do, which is make fucking chatbots, nigga. Y'all make really good chatbots. Just do that. Like, people suck at fucking doing what they're good at, bro. Like,
the alternatives are pretty cool, but one of the greatest life hacks for developers is to stop wasting time on code reviews. Man. OpenAI just released a GitHub action for codecs that will automatically.
I'm definitely not a big terminal type of nigga. Like the codec shit, I'm super solid, bro. I'm a GUI nigga, but some people really like terminals and talking straight to the terminal. That's not me per se. I just like GUI, bro.
Review code quality every time you make a new PR on GitHub. And not just that, but you could also use it to scan for security flaws, write documentation.
I mean, you can do all that shit as with
the
like a
coolest
GUI
thing
as
announced
well.
yesterday, though, is Agent Kit, a unified set of tools where developers can build, deploy, and optimize agents. Just a few days ago, I was talking about how awesome N8N was as a Zapier alternative.
Bro, they be trying to, though. Everybody's doing, that's exactly what I was saying. These niggas from N8N, they came in and brought their little automate shit, and Google made one, and then now these niggas made one. Bro, it's the fucking same shit. The big boys always let these niggas come in with very intuitive, innovative ideas and shit, see how they do, and then they get all they big money and come in. You see how they let Elon come do his thing with the electric cars? Nigga, if that shit had bombed, do you think they would have adapted that shit as well as they have? Hell no. It's about money, bro. It's all about money, bro.
Now, Agent Kit drops as the N8N alternative for building AI apps. It gives you a flowchart style canvas where you can implement the logic for your app without stitching together a bunch of code, man.
Have y'all tried this shit? Somebody tell me. Have y'all tried this shit?
Manually. On one hand, this tool has a lot of potential because it gives non-engineers the ability to build non-trivial.
But you can also do this in V0. You can also do this in Lovable. You can also do this without having to do all that node linking and shit. Unless that's something you're good at and that's what you like to do.
Apps. But on the other hand, no-code tools like this always have a complexity ceiling that eventually requires a real human programmer.
That's what the fuck I was just saying, because you don't know what you're doing.
To come in and tear the entire thing down and build it properly with actual code.
Because you don't know what you're doing, bro. I'm not no motherfucking full-ass software engineer, but I know Python and JavaScript and like the basics, nigga. A lot of y'all don't even know that shit. Y'all just want to do no code. That is no, bro. No code, no, bro. That's not the way. That I understand for fast tracking and small shit, and some shit it'll work if you understand how it works. Now, if you understand Python or TypeScript or React or some shit and you have a background, all that's going to do is amplify. When you use a no code app, all that's going to do is take the work you do and send it through the fucking roof.
In any case, it's a legit new tool that you should have on your radar. Speaking of which, you also need to know what JetBrains is up to, the sponsor of today's video.
Okay,
they just launched a new AI coding agent called Junie that's tightly integrated with the JetBrains IDE.
I don't even be using JetBrains though, I ain't gonna lie, like.
And can understand the context of your entire code base. This allows it to fit seamlessly into your workflow so you can have it complete real-world jobs at your job without the need to context switch between multiple tools. I've been using Junie on my own side project that has a bunch of complex geospatial data, and my honest opinion is that it's a little bit slower than other code gen tools I've tried, but it handles context and accuracy extremely well on a big project.
I'm cursor till the end of the game, bro. I ain't gonna lie with y'all, man. I love y'all, my nigga. Good shit. I'll see you on the next one. Yes, Sirski.